Kathy, I'd like to change my shapes and modify some of the colors. Can I do that?
Sure. Let's add some shapes and pictures, and then we'll look at lots of ways to modify them.
All right.
On our sheet called Top Sellers, we've already started this a little bit. So we have a few graphics here. Our goal is to illustrate what our top sellers are. So we're going to start by adding a new shape. Go ahead and go to Insert. And in the Illustrations group, we're going to choose Shapes. And I want you to go down to the Stars and Banners. And let's just use that first one. And go underneath where you see our top products, around row 3. And I just want you to click and drag down to the right to create a star. I know you know that you can just type to add text onto that shape, so I want to do this a little differently. We already have some text in cell A1. We actually want that text to show up on the graphic, so we're going to link it. I want you to click in the formula bar, type in an equal sign, and then click in cell A1. Enter, and it'll show up on the graphic.
What happens if I want to change the text?
In that case, you change it in the cell, not on the shape. So go ahead and go back to A1, and let's just type in our most popular products instead of our top products. Enter.
And it's reflecting in the new shape.